The 3D printer enclosure for Ender3 Max features a built-in LED light strip that enhances workspace visibility, allowing users to monitor the printing process with precision. By maintaining a constant temperature, this enclosure ensures high-quality prints and reduces the risk of material clogs and jams, thereby enhancing printing efficiency. Constructed with fire-resistant materials, the enclosure provides a dust-proof and safe environment, protecting the printer from dust particles and accidental touches. The enclosure is designed for quick installation, taking only 5 minutes to set up, and its robust construction minimizes vibrations during operation. This enclosure is compatible with a wide range of 3D printers, offering flexibility and adaptability for various models within its size specifications. Enjoy a quieter printing experience with this fully enclosed 3D printer cover that effectively isolates noise, allowing for a more pleasant and silent workspace.